Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain about a common mistake people make when they're fixing that code, and that can, guys, result into thousands of dollars in repairs or having your engine replaced, and we'll explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, guys, and if you have code P2111, stay with us. We'll explain, guys, what can easily cause that and how to fix that, guys. It means something that we have problems with the electronic throttle control body. Common mistake people make when they remove or replace it, and that mistake can cost your engine or thousands of dollars in repair. So make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain what we're talking about. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Oh, and in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So specifically here, guys, we have a 2018 Dodge Challenger, but even if you have a different engine, different year Dodge Challenger, it will work as well, as long as it's that newer generation from 2011 up. But now, before we start, let me tell you guys something. Many of you have requested information in the comment section below about the scanner that we use here at the shop, what we recommend, because the market practically is flooded with scanners and diagnostic tools, and some of them are good, some are not. That's why we always try to share our knowledge about those, but that's our favorite thing. We use it the most, daily use, works on almost any car you can think of. Okay, anything including Lamborghinis, Ferraris and Porsche. We've used it on some of those even too, guys, and it can pay itself off in one-time use. You can access every computer system in your car, read codes, see codes, clear codes and see live data. So that's quite powerful, guys, and on those modern vehicles sometimes you may end up having up to 50 computing systems. So code P2111, what that code could suggest, guys. So if we remove, okay, that cover here, we're going to talk about a common mistake people make. Make sure you send it in, guys. You have that throttle body will be located right here on the intake manifold. So if I come in an angle, probably it will get stuck, okay, but that throttle body, usually it's attached right here to the upper intake manifold, and it connects to the air filter box. The purpose of that throttle body is to, when you press the accelerator gas pedal, you press it down, it's going to open, guys, okay, and close, depending on how much you press the accelerator pedal. That way it will get air, the engine computer will send more fuel to the injectors, and your car will be accelerating, it will generate power. Now, if you have that code, what it can mean, guys, it means that you either, okay, have disconnected wire for the throttle body, which is quite common that we see here at the shop, or the wire, you can see that safety red clip is not pushed in all the way. The wire is not pushed all the way in the throttle body. Maybe that weather strip on the back side that prevents moisture to go inside is causing that trouble. So that could be the reason sometimes too. Another thing, contaminated connector with oil, dust, water if you washed your engine bay. And right here you can see the wires. You need to inspect to make sure that all of them are pushed all the way in, because there often people, more often than you think, will grab the connector and try to yank it for the wires to pull it out, and they can pull the wires out of the little bitty pins, and what can happen, you will not be communicating and you can get that code as well. So very common connector, guys, right there, contaminated or not plugged in correctly. Number two, okay, it could be bad throttle body itself. We'll have a video how to test and how to replace throttle body on Dodge Challenger, so check it out, it will teach you how to do that. And something else, guys, a very common mistake people make sometimes, two mistakes actually. One, the throttle body attaches with 4 screws to the intake manifold, which is made out of plastic, and if you over tighten them you can strip them. As a result, you have to replace the upper intake manifold. That's a couple $100 right there. Another thing, replace the gasket always with a new one, because that can cause vacuum leaks, really hard to fix. And number 3, make sure you do not drop a tool socket, anything inside, try to cover that hole, because if you drop it and it goes inside the engine, what will happen, guys, it will be sucked in the valves. You can either bend valve, break a piston, damage cylinder head, you can damage cylinder wall, you can seize your engine, guys, and at that point you will need it replaced or rebuilt, and that can cost you quite a bit of money. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.